Do you know how to make different types of slime? Ooh, that was so satisfying. Like, actually know how to make slime? No, not that kind of slime hee. First, ask mom or dad to help you. Today we're going to learn about polymers. A polymer is a big molecule made up of lots of smaller molecules linked together. It's kind of like a train where each card is a small molecule and the whole train is the polymer, also known as a macromolecule. We'll use polyvinyl alcohol, or PVA, for our polymer. You may know PVA as the main ingredient in white school glue. But why do we use school glue to make slime? Well, when the glue dries, it forms a film on your paper, and that film is made of PVA. So, if we don't put anything else in the glue, it'll just sit there like this. But if we add something called an activator, the glue molecules will react with it and link together, forming a giant network of glue molecules. And if we pull the glue molecules apart, they'll want to return to their original state and become a liquid. But because they're connected to all these other glue molecules, they can't become a liquid. They're stuck in a sort of solid, rubbery state, and that's how slime is born. There are a lot of different slime recipes out there, but they usually involve some type of glue and some type of activator. A common activator is borax or saline solution. It turns out the saline solution contains a substance called sodium borate, which is very good at connecting the long PVA chains together. So today we're going to use saline solution as our activator, but you can try other things too, like contact lens solution, washing powder, or even toothpaste. The amount of activator you use determines the properties of the slime. If you use too much activator, the slime will be tough and rubbery like this. But if you don't use enough activator, the slime won't form at all. It'll just stay sticky and liquid like this. And you can actually see the slime forming in real time. When we first start mixing the glue and the saline solution together, it looks like a liquid, but then as it sits, the molecules have time to react and link together and form the slime. And different kinds of glue make different kinds of slime. For example, clear school glue makes clear slime and white school glue makes opaque or white slime. But if we use a different kind of glue like this clear drying glue, we can make a clear slime that looks kind of like dragon egg slime. You can also make different kinds of slime by adding different things to the mixture before you get that slime to set. For example, if we add a bunch of shaving cream to the mixture, we'll end up with fluffy slime. Isn't that cool? Or if we add cornstarch, we'll end up with butter slime. Let's make some slime. We'll start with 1/2 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of PVA. Add the PVA to the water and mix it with a spoon until it's all dissolved. This is what the slime will be made of. So if we just leave it like this, it'll just be a liquid. But we want to make slime, so we're going to add an activator. Our activator is going to be 1 teaspoon of borax powder mixed with 1 to 4 cup of warm water. Remember, the activator connects the PVA molecules together and makes them stretchy and gooey. Pour the activator into the PVA solution and mix it around. Let's check it out. Is it slime yet? Not quite. Let's let it sit for 30 minutes and check back. After about 30 minutes, the slime should be set. Let's take a closer look. Do you see all those little air bubbles? All those little bubbles give the slime its stretchy, gooey texture. You can play with your slime for hours, but if you ever get tired of it, you can simply put it in a plastic bag, tie it off, and it'll just dissolve in the glue. And then you can start over with a new batch. Making slime is a really fun, hands-on way to learn about polymers and chemical reactions. Give it a try and remember, science is everywhere. That's it for today. Hey, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss our next educational video. Bye-bye for now. Remember to stay awesome.